Hello everyone, this is my review of this hair drain catcher. It's exactly what I needed for my shower. This drain catcher is very useful if you have long hair or live with people with long hair. The silicone material is flexible yet durable, and it stays in place thanks to the suction cups. It effectively traps hair and prevents clogs, making cleanup much easier. I love that it's easy to install and works well for both the bathroom and kitchen sink. Just rinse it off after each use and it's good as new. The pack of two is a great value. I highly recommend it and I hope this review helps.